So Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra versus the Xiaomi 13 Pro. So let's start with the display size comparison. This Xiaomi 13 Pro mobile comes with a 6.73 inches of LTPO AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate supported display, and it is a HDR10 Plus certified display. And this mobile also comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection, and it is a 2K display. And when we talk about this S23 Ultra mobile, it comes with a 6.8 inches of dynamic AMOLED 2X display, and it is also a 120Hz refresh rate supported HDR10 Plus supported display. And this mobile also comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. And when we talk about the processor, yeah, these two come with the same processor, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is a 4nm based 5G processor. When we talk about the 5G, yeah, these two comes with different 5G bands. This comes with the 17 5G bands. This comes with the 15 5G bands in India. And when we talk about this mobile's cameras, yeah, this is the section which we have to take a look deeply. This Xiaomi 13 Pro mobile comes with a triple cameras at the back side. Those are 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, 1-inch camera, and a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and also a 50 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera. Total of 3 cameras at the back side. For this S23 Ultra, this mobile also comes with the quad cameras at the back side, 200 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 10 megapixels of periscopic zoom camera, and also another 10 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera, and a 12 megapixels of another wide angle camera, ultra wide angle camera. For the front, it comes with the, these two mobiles comes with different front facing selfie cameras. This Xiaomi 13 Pro mobile comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. This Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra mobile comes with just 12 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. Yeah, that's it. And when we talk about the batteries, yeah, this is also a major section we have to take a deep look. This Xiaomi 13 Pro mobile comes with a 4820 milliamp hours of battery, which supports 120 watts of fast charge through wire, 50 watts of wireless charge, and a 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. With this S23 Ultra mobile comes with a 5000 milliamp hours of huge battery, and it supports 45 watts of fast charge through wire, and 15 watts of wireless charge, and 4.5 watts of reverse wireless charge. And when we talk about the other features, yeah, these tools are available in different storage and RAM variants. Those are, first of all, this Xiaomi 13 Pro mobile comes in, according to the rumors, it might comes with the 8GB RAM 256, and 12GB RAM 256, and 12GB RAM 512GB. This S23 Ultra mobile, right now it is available in Amazon for sale. I'll also leave a link to buy this mobile in the description box down below. You can directly buy it from there. By the way, this mobile was available in only one RAM variant, that is 12GB RAM 512GB, 12GB RAM 1TB, and 12GB RAM 256GB variants. So yeah, these are the variants. And when we talk about the storage capacities, yeah, these two mobiles come with the same LPDDR5X RAM types and UFS 4.0 capacities, storage capacities. So we can expect a killer performance with these two mobiles. And when we talk about the build quality, yeah, these two mobiles comes with the metal frames, front back glasses, so we can expect a great build quality also. And when we talk about the features like operating system, yeah, this 13 Pro mobile runs on Android 13 out of the box with MIUI 14, where this S23 Ultra mobile runs on Android 13 out of the box with One UI 5.1. So when we talk about these two mobiles, other features like this mobile comes with the Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 versions, and stereo speakers, and no 3.5mm jack. And it also comes with the ultrasound in-display fingerprint scanner. With this S23 Ultra mobile comes with the Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 and stereo speakers and no 3.5mm jack. But it comes with the S Pen, the S Pen. Even though it having a bigger, huge battery, huge display, they are succeed to fit a pen inside the mobile. And this also comes, and this mobile also comes with no 3.5mm jack, by the way. And this mobile also comes with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, not a in-display fingerprint scanner, ultrasonic fingerprint scanner Gen 2. So these are the major differences of this mobile, these two mobiles. So right now, I think you came to a conclusion by watching this video. I hope you will find a better mobile for you. If you want, like best, like you need a S Pen support, like you take a lot of notes and do math, something, you can prefer this mobile. Or you can, if you are a MI lover, I mean like a MIUI lover, you can buy this mobile. That's it. And by the way, there are also differences between these two mobiles. Those are these two mobiles comes this mobile comes with a 120-watt fast charger included in the box with this mobile, while this mobile doesn't come with any charger. It comes with a type C to type C cable and some quick start gauge and 3.5 type C sim ejector tool. But this mobile comes with all of the accessories in the box. By the way, I will also leave a link to buy these two mobiles in the description box down below. You can directly buy it from there. And if you like this video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button. By the way, when we talk about the pricings, this 13 Pro mobile might release with a price tag of 87 to 89,000 rupees according to the rumors. This mobile was already released and it was priced at 1,35,000 rupees. Yes, if you use HDFC some debit or credit cards, you will get a 8,000 rupees cashback. So you do the math and buy the mobile. So that's it for the video.